Good morning, darlings. Beatrice Ness at your service. Welcome to DM's Monday Morning Power Habit. We call this the cleansing lemon tea. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1/8 teaspoon of powdered ginger, 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 2 tablespoons of local honey. Weight loss, energy builder, builds the immune system, wards off colds with blood sugar levels, eliminating weight loss. Poo BM. Drink at least 24 ounces each morning. Room temperature without ice. Hot day with ice. Steaming hot